Hello, my name is Musa Imakando MUzumara, and I'm a foreign exchange and interest rate trader here at Stanbic Bank in our Global Markets Department. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the foreign exchange markets. More specifically, here in Zambia, we get quite a few questions from you, our clients, wanting to understand what is influencing where the kwacha trades, specifically against the United States dollar. What you need to think when you're thinking of exchange rates is price. And as is the case with most free-floating commodities, supply and demand dynamics are what determine the price. In essence, when you see that you need more kwacha to buy a single dollar, what that is telling you is that the supply of dollars that can be converted into kwacha in the economy is lower than the demand for dollars in the same economy. You may have heard of the terms appreciation and depreciation when people are referring to currencies, and essentially what that means is strengthening or weakening of a particular currency. In some cases, you might find that you need more kwacha to buy a single dollar, and in other cases, you might find that you need less kwacha to buy a single dollar. One might ask, why should the kwacha depreciate at all when we see accounts that have large US dollar balances? When it comes to the foreign exchange rates, it's all about convertibility. The need to access goods, services, and investments that are kwacha denominated is what leads to dollar conversions, which then result in dollars being available on a market, which would allow support for the local currency. And in cases where we see a lot of dollars being converted into kwacha, we then start to see an appreciation or a strengthening, or what you would term as needing less kwacha to buy a single unit of dollars happening. As it stands, kwacha is only directly convertible to the United States dollar. Essentially what that means is if one is looking for rands, what needs to happen is dollars are found first, and then those dollars are used to buy the rands that are desired. The opposite is true. If somebody would like to sell their rands, the bank would then buy those rands and then buy dollars against those rands. This is true for euro, pound, Swiss franc, and any other tradable currency on the local foreign exchange markets. Foreign exchange markets can be very volatile, and sometimes they're very stable. But one thing that is true is a lot of the time you see that prices change all throughout a trading day. The general trend, however, of how a currency moves is determined by the political, social, and economic factors of the country in which that currency is issued. Remember, no matter your aspirations, with Stanbic, it can be.